Hi everybody, it's Boaz, and today I'm going to show you in this training video how to use the EOS Utility with AIR Graffiti. So what EOS Utility enables you is to capture photo and instantly send them to a certain folder on your computer, and then AIR Graffiti will load this photo automatically or custom, depends on how you configure it in AIR Graffiti. So first of all, what you need to install when you get the digital camera is you need to install the EOS Utility, and that's it. Nothing else should be installed other than this. And you connect your camera to the computer and make sure that the camera is on. This is a very important part. You need to make sure that the camera is on. If the camera is off, then everything will be disabled here. So you see nothing here is enabled and I can't click on anything. Now what I will do, I will open the camera and then you will see that I have enabled those buttons. Okay, so now let's start and let me show you how I configure remote shooting at the first time. So you need to select the remote shooting, which is the third option. Once you click on remote shooting, this pop-up will show up, and then you will be able to go to preferences and to do this first time configuration. Now make sure that you see here the buttons on top. You see that the menu is scrollable, so scroll all the way to the left and go to basic settings. And what you want to make sure in basic settings that this automatically display quick preview windows is turned off, because when you use AIR Graffiti you don't want a quick preview to pop up whenever you take a picture. So uncheck this one, and then what I like to do is I like to start the EOS Utility automatically when the camera is connected, and what it does, what I like it to do is to open remote shooting right away. So let me show you what happened. When I click OK on these preferences, and let's for instance close this close the remote shooting application, I'm going to disconnect my camera, and then I'm going to connect my camera again and see what happened. Once I connected the camera, you can see on the right side that it's automatically pop up the EOS Utility, which means you don't need to go and click on everything. So if you're in full screen in AIR Graffiti, you don't need to worry about it open, because it's open by itself automatically and goes here. So the second preferences that you want to make sure that is set is the destination folder. In the destination folder, I put the same folder where all the photos from AIR Graffiti is loaded. Let's open AIR Graffiti and let me show you how it's look like here. I'm going to settings, and then I go to folders, and in folders you can see that the photos path is users Boaz is my username of this computer, and then documents. So the same should be here, the same here. You can see users Boaz and documents, and you can see, for example, here that this is the folder that all the photos are going to be saved to. So make sure nothing is checked here, and let's move on to the file names. It can be whatever file name you like, and remote shooting here, nothing should be checked here. Okay, and link software, you should make sure that none is selected. So this is all the settings that that you need, and once you're ready you click OK, and then everything is ready and set. So let's go to AIR Graffiti and let's go to a full screen mode. Okay, 1 second, let me resize it to full screen mode. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, now let me show you how I take a picture and it's instantly loaded to the screen. If I click on auto load photo and click on done, and then I'm going to my digital camera and I'm taking a picture, it will instantly load to the screen. Let me take some other picture here. Let's say of the window. I'm taking the photo of the window right now, and you will see how it's automatically loaded to the screen in less than 2 seconds. Okay, so if you don't want this to be automatically loaded to the screen, what you can do is you can configure it in settings. You can remove the auto load photo and click on done. And once you do that, when you take the next picture, let me take the picture of one of the bags here. Once you take the picture, you can go to the photo folder, and then you will see that the photo that you just took is already here waiting for you, and you can choose it from here and select it from here, and there you go. So this is how we use the EOS utility with Air Graffiti. And the first time configuration, of course, you just need to configure it once, and then it's ready.